Hello, my name is Jeff Dover, and with Sarah Rue, we want to talk about some of the problems that exist when we handle an auto accident claim or when we go to trial. And one of the things that we always see a problem with if clients aren't real careful is gaps in treatment. So after an accident, you start a therapy program, you start seeing a physician, but then there's times when you don't go or you miss appointments. And we call those gaps in treatment. Defense lawyers like to bring those out at trial. Insurance adjusters always like to talk about gaps in treatment when we're attempting to settle the case. So Sarah, if you would, tell our viewers about the problems that we see when there are gaps in treatment.
Yeah, the insurance company, like Jeff said, they love that because then they can argue, well, you must not have been hurt that bad, or you must not have been in that much pain, or else you would have been going to your doctor's appointments. We have this stretch of a month where you didn't get any treatment. And a lot of times it may just be because the client has, other things in life that are coming up and they have to postpone that. But it's so important to get to those appointments. The other issue can be finances. If somebody it's hard to get to those appointments and they don't have the money to pay for them, that's a real life problem. But when we get to trial, the rules of evidence preclude us from giving that explanation. You can't talk about financial circumstances. So then we find ourselves in this position of not really being able to explain why the client didn't go get the treatment. So it's so important. You want to talk to your attorney. Often there are ways around, dealing with any financial obstacles to get you the treatment that you need. And it's just so important. Even when you start to feel better, oftentimes we see people maybe stop the treatment, then they need to get back and go when the doctor had recommended they go all along. It's important to follow those doctor's instructions.
Absolutely. Try to make every appointment that you have because gaps in treatment are a real problem. Thank you.